Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be talking about the no calculate approach and how it is 20 times faster than using calculate. But first, before we get to that, I was been meaning to cover this as well. There was another, like a third round, essentially, and almost like a fourth round of the no calculate challenge by Alexis Olson, who always comes up with some really cool problems. So he posted this last month, just about a month ago, a little over a month ago. And I'll include the link to this in the description of this video. But this was posted at 4:05 p.m. and it was solved less than 4.5 hours later by Bill Bendlin. And also Tamer Juma, superstar of the no calculate approach, also created a solution for it. I had a solution for it as well. I was actually on a plane flying to San Antonio when when I saw this thing come out. So I was actually working on it on the plane, came up with a solution. I think the total was wrong, of course, right? So Alexis didn't accept it, although that'd have been an easy fix. But then he also posted like like another round of this, if I can find it, where he was using like median X or something like that. Yeah, here we go. So he posted another one in there. So I posted a couple solutions to that one, although Alexis never let me know if he accepted them as solutions or not. But anyway, so there's that. But all right, that's not what I was going to talk about today. I just wanted to throw that in since we were talking about no calculate. But I want to show, I want to highlight this one. So this was a pretty interesting little thing that came out today. And I'm probably going to post this video a few days from now. But today it's the 12th. And so that is when this was posted. And so very simple calculate expressions, like basically calculate some measure where you filter the data. So basically what they have is they have a slicer, you pick a range, so a min and a max. And what this person wants to do is calculate this measure on the minimum of the day selected as well as the maximum of the day selected. So now they've got about 90 million rows, and he says it takes 90 seconds to calculate using these two measures. So that's a problem. I don't want to give away the solution just yet. But basically the first thing I asked him, well, what is your measure? And so he gives me the measure. It's just this sum X daily inventory, which is the quantity times the average cost, right? So that's the actual measure that this person's using in the calculate. So what I did was I gave him the no calculate approach. You can try this. So basically starting inventory. So grab the min of the date, do a filter, create a filter, right? For that is, for your filter for that specific date, do a sum X across it of, this is basically the code for the measure. And then same thing, only this changes to max, right? So, and I give them the explanation of why I thought this might work. So I've seen calculate get jammed up with single table data models, right? Oh, I did not mean to do that. I was trying to hit Control-1, but apparently, so I got to get back to it. Yeah, here we go. Why didn't that work? Nope, that's not doing what I want it to do. For some reason, my Zoom it must not be working today. I don't know why, but anyway, I have to fix that. Anyway, so I can't zoom on this. Sorry. So anyway, you can get jammed up on single table data models. I've also seen, this is one of the ones I did a blog article series on, like optimizing Power BI or DAX. And the other thing I saw was that just combining all the DAX into one measure tended to speed things up the most, actually. So accepted that as a solution and basically said way faster, like down to 5 seconds. So maybe I'm exaggerating a little. It's only 18 times faster than calculate, but there you have it. In a real world example with 90 million rows, all these people that always were like, oh, no calculate approach will never scale and calculates the most, is the most powerful function in DAX. Well, it's 20 times slower than not using it. So stick that in your pipe and smoke it. That's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.